Bring it on.
Can't run forever, Autobot.
I see how it is.
Closing on the power station. I'm scanning now. Ah! There are armed humans here.
Then defeat them quickly. Frenzy has information about the artifact. Now find him.
This is wonderful. This is a tremendous idea. Let's steal the biggest, most obvious ship in the universe and escape in that. Flying around the city, smashing into everything in sight so everyone can see us. It's brilliant, Thor! It's truly brilliant!
Lord Starscream, come in. Frenzy has discovered that a human named Sam is in possession of the artifact. A pair of ocular lenses that will lead us to Megatron.
Interesting.
Lord Starscream, I have scanned the police database for information on this Sam Witwicky. We've acquired his image from the database and are tracking. Must be an opportunity.
Come on, get in! Hurry! Hurry!
Bring it on.